All right, we got what's that called? Stay Well King. We kind of got upgraded because I would have we got no we our com was only for a regular king, but when we checked in using the app, it became Stay Well. Here's the washroom, frameless glass toilets on the other side. Only one sink though, which sucks because we just came from Angkor and there were two sinks. See, there's the Stay Well sign. And the closet. Oh, open. There's the glass container. Where's this? Oh, the safe is here. And if you keep walking, this is it. This is all the room. Here's the king size bed. I find it really weird that it's like deep inside. I don't know how to say it, but the red, it's okay. There's a mirror, full-size mirror. There's the TV. The windows is a little small. And we got pool field, which is actually, I prefer this over the city because it's gonna be less noisy. To the right, I think to the right, that's the pool called Jamna. I believe that's reserved for Nomad hotel guests though, because that's the fancier part of Park MGM. That used to be the Hotel 32. There's the pool on the further end. That one is not open yet. I can see like staff members going in and out. They're probably just getting it ready. Those are the one smaller pool and then a hot tub. Let's see. And there's Aria. Alright, so I was playing with this machine over here called the Rapid Air. I think it's some sort of air purification system. This light here, it says, what does it say? Air quality indicator is at red, so I think the air is not good, so I turn it on auto. It's purifying the air right now. And there's a pamphlet here. I believe it explains what the difference is between Stay Well and just regular. Oh, there's the instruction. How to begin your Stay Well experience. Check in. When you walk into the room, did you notice the quality of the air around you? Not really. Relax. There's this thing called the Circadian lighting. There is a Philips light hue, no, the wake up light. I used to have one of those. It didn't look exactly like this, but sleep for a night of deep sleep. Oh, this is a special mattress, okay. Oh, I get really good sleep then. And then wake up. Dawn simulator. I don't think we need that because it's so bright out whenever we wake up in Vegas. How to use your air purification. How to use the dawn simulation. How to personalize light environment. I'll look into this later. Experience Stay Well. If I had to pay for it, I probably won't do it because nothing really stands out. But I mean, since it's a free upgrade, whatever.